Hope not. What are you doing?
Just got done moving cows across the road back onto some stockpile grass. They were running some stalks and then a good hay field, and we're supposed to get an inch of rain tomorrow, and I really don't want them on that hay field anymore, so just ran them back across the road. They should be happy over there for a few weeks. And now we are going to drain this tank and wind up some wires and yeah, get ready for it to get cold and muddy.
That's the question. All right, so we're moving another group right there since it's gonna rain. It's gorgeous out today though. They don't seem to want to be coming.
I think they think that's gonna shock them.
And they're like, this stuff doesn't look good. Now what are we gonna do? And then what are we gonna do? What's your plan today?
Wing it.
No. Move all the cows,
Scrape some alleys.
scrape some
Bed
alleys.
a barn. Move some pears. Feed some hay. Roll up some hot wire. It's 50 degrees. You got about 800 things to do.
One day of 50 degrees, sun shining, little to no wind.
Finish building fence.
She's a rock, she's a track star. Next up on our list is we're winding up this wire. So we use a Gallagher reel, Gallagher wire, wind all of this up for the rain tomorrow. So I just need to walk all the way to there while winding it up. And I think Cole's grabbing all the posts and we should be good.
Except you need a bigger post pounder. Fencing in January. Pretty rare, but we're going to take advantage of it. Trying these new timeless posts. So, Greg Judy, all he talks about, so we're going to put them to the test this year. Supposedly they don't break, just bend. So, we got about a half a mile high tensile wire we're going to put in today.